see the clipboard feature in Windows 11. Suppose you are copying something and then you are copying something else. This is copy 2. Then you lose the first copy, right? What you have done earlier. But in Windows 11, we have this clipboard feature. So if you press Window key plus V, it will show this pop-up will come up, which will be like uh, which will be like a clipboard option, which is not turned on by default. So we need to turn it on, and you can see the last copy item is here. Then you copy something else. Control. Then let's copy this, and then let's copy this as well. And if you press Window key plus V, it will show the clipboard, and you can see all these items one after another in the number how you copied it, right? And the another feature about clipboard is if you pin one item, it will not get cleared when you restart the system. And also if you press this clear all, this pinned item will stay here. Thank you. Subscribe for more tech tips.